This fancy looking chicken and rice dinner is way easier to make than you think it is. So let's begin. I took 3 cups of basmati rice, washed them, and I added a bit of water, like 1 inch above the rice. Then I added 2 tablespoons of my chili oil. The recipe is already uploaded on my channel. And I just put them in instant pot and pressure cook for like 13 minutes. Then I took the chicken steaks and I added only a few spices on them. And then I fried them in a pan. Sear them really well on both sides, about 7 minutes on each side. These are thin chicken pieces, so about 100 grams each. And then take them out of the pan. Then add the vegetables in the same oil because the pan has a lot of flavor. Add the garlic as well. Add 1 tablespoon of plain all-purpose flour and the spices and roast it for a few minutes so the flour can cook. Then add cream. I added low-fat reduced cream, and then add a cup of water as well and some spinach and green chilies. Cook it for about 7 to 8 minutes so it can be reduced. The rice should be ready by the time, and this is how the rice look, and they were absolutely delicious. The sauce has thickened up and then plated up. Ignore the sound in the background because that's Ayan watching his YouTube videos. So the gaming videos are like that, and I don't know how to deal with them. So anyway, this is the chicken and rice dinner. So give this recipe a try, and I hope you enjoy it.